Lower the print platen. Remove the 2 thumb screws. Holding the platen, move the 2 stops and slowly lower the platen assembly. Using a 4mm hex wrench, remove the 3 screws on the unwinder side. Repeat the process on the rewinder side. Remove the spittoon by lifting up on the part and carefully sliding it to the side. There are 2 possible spittoon designs, depending on when the X350 was purchased. The original part has a plastic insert. The new design has thicker absorbent pads and does not include this insert. If you have the original design, continue with removing the insert. If you have the new design, move ahead to the pad removal section. Using a 2.5mm hex wrench, remove the 3 screws from the top of the spittoon. Remove the center piece from the spittoon. This will be a tight fit, so a small flat-end screwdriver may be needed. Be careful not to damage the part. Slowly lift the part until it can be removed from the assembly. Remove the waste pads. A small screwdriver may be helpful. Install the new pads. Make sure they are fully pressed into the openings. These pads are thicker and will rise above the openings. If you had the original design, the top piece is no longer needed. Carefully place the spittoon assembly back into the printer. Align the screw holes and install the 3 screws on the rewinder side. Do not tighten the screws completely. Install the 3 screws on the unwinder side. Then tighten all screws. Raise the platen assembly. Move the blocks into position and install the thumb screws.